Hi, my name is Christina Kuzmich from ChristinaKuzmich.com, and today I want to show you a blue cheese mayonnaise recipe. So what you're going to need is half a cup of mayonnaise. Just get that right in. And of course you can use more. Just always double the amount of mayonnaise to the blue cheese. So we're using half a cup of mayonnaise, we're going to use quarter cup of blue cheese. You can use any kind of blue cheese you want. Some are stronger than others, so just find one you really like. Any will work in this recipe. And then what we're going to do is just mix that up really good. I actually like to use a fork for this to break down the blue cheese. Now, if you want, you can always add some minced garlic. I like to add bacon bits because I like to add bacon to everything. So flavor it however you want, but this is the basic blue cheese mayonnaise recipe. And once you feel like it's fully incorporated, you can taste it, see if you want more blue cheese. This is going to be perfect for me. And I love, love, love this on sandwiches. Like, this is so great on a BLT or burgers. It'll melt right on that warm burger. It's delicious. My name is Christina Kuzmich. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.